Yo, what's cranking, what's shaking? Danglers, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. You can see her. Brandy's leaving, she's dropping me off. We're doing a little something different today. We're doing some river fishing. Haven't done river fishing, or I mean, I've done it a few times this year so far, but not much. She's just watching me record my intro. But it's a rainy day. There's not gonna be anyone out on the river. Last time I was out here and last time we fished this, there's a lot of fucking people. I barely got any fishing in. I did end up catching a smallmouth, which was pretty good, but nonetheless, we're gonna get out here. We're gonna rip some lips, we're gonna have some fun. It's gonna be a couple hour journey, so stick around, stay tuned. The last time I recorded one of these videos, I did it on the Grand River and actually had a lot of fun last year. It had some good success. So this year we're gonna do the same thing, but stick around, stay tuned, enjoy this rainy as hell day. Let's go catch some lips. Let's go. I have another, actually by the end of this month into the first week of September will be my last tournament for Roots and Mainstream Division. And then we'll be moving off to the Fall Series, which there's a Southwest Fall Series tournaments for top water, which I did last year. I did a couple of them. And then there we go. That's a good smallmouth. Oh man. No, he came off. No, that was a good one. Oh no, dude, that was a good brownie, man. No, man. Oh no. Oh, that thing was so good. Oh no, that was a good size too. Oh shit. Hold up, I want to float that again. Oh man, that sucks. Oh, that's such a bummer, man. That was such a good fish too. I didn't know if that was a fish or not. I didn't really set the hook on it, which was that was my fault. I didn't set the hook on it. Oh, dude, that was a good fish. That was a good fucking fish too. Damn it, man. Fall fishing is just a fun time. I mean, the bite is always really extravagant. You get some good fishing in for sure during the fall time compared to summertime. I mean, I relate it kind of like the springtime. Like the fish are very active, or fish are more active, a lot more aggressive, and they're willing to go after big baits too. Like I've noticed in the fall time, I can throw a big size like swim bait, big size jig, and do pretty well. Oh, buggers, man. The only smallmouth I've caught so far this year have been little tiny things, less than 10 inches, so if I can catch something that has a little bit of meat on them, I mean, I'm in, you know. That's what I want. I want a fish that has some meat on them. I'll say it don't matter the sound as long as I'm catching fish. That's the biggest thing. If I'm catching fish, it's all good. That sound ain't gonna matter. I gotta catch fish, so I gotta land the fish. I can't just catch them. I gotta actually land them. Oh. And there is what's really cool is in the fall there's a river tournament on the Kalamazoo River, which will be fun. So, which I'm gonna do. There's been 2 already. The last one didn't really have too many people that participated on it. The first one had a good portion. I think it had like 30 or 40 people. So I'm hoping the next one in the fall will be a lot better. It is very, very cool today. This rain is what we needed. We needed this rain. We needed this cool weather. This stuff kind of, I mean, it just cools the water down, cools the water, the inland lake water temps, and keeps it at a good degrees where fishing's not impossible, you know. I think this 1/2 ounce flipping jig would be good. 1/2 ounce is pretty darn good for the river. 3/4 of an ounce would be a lot better, but 1/2 an ounce isn't bad. Don't know if I have any other ones. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Yep. I'm going brown. Yeah, we're going that. All right. Do this. Okay, so now I got a little football head jig from Goog, obviously. I'm gonna pair this with a crack and crawl. So, but I figure I'll throw it. I think this is like a 1/2 ounce fucking jig, so it should do pretty well with it. It's been rocking a fucking 1/4 ounce weight head, so this should be more than enough to handle this current, this water. Not have any problems, that's the biggest thing. Hi, Bubbies. Hi, Bubbers. Hi, Bubber Puppers. Bubber Wubbers. You're so fine. They're both eating grass. But I've had 2 good-sized ones on. I just lost them.
Oh.
Yeah, which sucks. Huh?
That's it? That's all you caught?
Yeah. But it's been fun though.
I can't see him. Maybe he's further down. So we walked that way, and then you were already past it, and I was like, damn it.
Nice. Yeesh. Oh, yeah.
I just got back from the stores.
Nice. That's fun.
Yeah.
Well, have fun.
Love you.
Love you too. The dogs don't care about me. There we go. I was about to say, I'm like, shit, man. I'm like, is it under my kayak? Oh, there we go. Oh, that was, dude. No, man. Come on, dude. That was a good one, too. Shit. Thought that one was on, man. Oh, dude, that was a fucking good one. Oh, dude, are you kidding me? Oh, that was such a good one. Oh, that hurts, dude. That hurt. There we go again. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. This is the football head that I want right here. Oh, there we go. Get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in. This is the one I want. Oh my gosh. He's so agitated. Oh my god, dude. Just pure muscle, too. Just pure fucking muscle that this thing is. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, baby. Let's go. Let's go, dude. This thing is a tank. It just feels so fucking good. Nice. Dude, this thing is a tank. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I wanted right there. This is all I wanted today. Nice little brownie. God damn, man. This might be the sauce. Oh man, honestly, get him in. Oh, I found the sauce. I found the sauce. Ooh man. Okay, here we go. All right. Little river, smallmouth fishing session. Still not the first one I got or had on. The first one I had on was still a lot bigger than this one, but oh yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, so clean, man. So clean. I love smallmouth fishing. It's just so much fun. So GoPro battery died. Look at a saucy spot. Very saucy spot out here fishing. So we're gonna keep pressuring or put pressure on this spot right here. There's smallmouth right on this right off this tree. That was so good. Just 2 smallmouth back to back, man. Just fucking. That's what hit me. 2 smallmouth back to back like that. Oh, that was another one. There we go. He's on now. Little smallie. Come on, baby. Just pure muscle. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay. Just pure. Boom. Tell you what, man, this jig, man. This jig's the sauce right now. I'm telling you, this jig is the sauce. Stay on. Don't come off. Dude, even the smallmouths fucking fight, man. Oh, it's a gorgeous smallie. So beautiful, dude. I love smallmouth fishing. Look at that. Another one, little juicy juice. I'm catching them on this right here. It's a 1/2 ounce football head jig. I think it's called the Cowboy Crawl. It's by Guggen, but paired with a less than a year old. And now I'm catching these girthy little fellers. Come on, get in there. Yeah. All right. Move this. Hopefully I don't get too far. Okay, I gotta figure out this gear. Okay. There we go. Okay. There we go. Oh. Hey now. Ooh. Oh. Losing everything. Literally. Oh man. Alright, buddy. Sorry. This has been a shit show. This has been a shit show, and I apologize. Try to make it less of a shit show for you. You gotta give me a second. Get that hook out. Look at that. Beautiful, man. Beautiful smallmouth. Just absolutely beautiful color. That's like 7 right there. 6 or 7. Oh, that's a good one. choking, man. Literally, you're just choking this jig. Eating it perfectly. Look at that. Another good one. Hell yeah, man. Such a fun fish to catch. Gosh. They're just fun, man. They're just fun to catch. They're just a fun thing. I could fish like close enough to me and catch them. Like catch a good abundance. That's why I wish I would. If I lived on the east side of the state of Michigan, I'd be fishing Lake St. Clair so much. There's another little one. It's actually not that little one. That's a healthy smallmouth too. Oh, pooping. Don't poop on me. Healthy. Healthy another one. Just slamming them right here. Great little afternoon. I don't know if that was one or not, but it's been fun nonetheless, though. It's been good. Caught 6, 7, or 8 smallmouths, lost 3 or 4. There's another one right there. Little one. That one's little. That one's little, but that one's still got color, which is nice. But, little guy. Oop. Look at that, buddy. That ends the fishing adventure, river fishing today. So we caught 6 or 7. Caught 6 or 7. Not bad. Caught 6 or 7 bass, or smallmouth bass. Lost 4, I think. Lost 4, but nonetheless, fantastic time. But hope you did enjoy. If you did, make sure you leave a like. As always, subscribe. This is gonna be a little different because obviously my GoPro battery died. I filmed off of my phone and everything, but nonetheless, that's where the action came from. So hope you guys do enjoy. Like I said, make sure you leave a like, subscribe as always, and remember, keep on fishing. Take one last cast, and I'll see you on the water. Let's go.